Hi guys, this is Dale with the insurance. Today we're going to talk about um, a crime actually, and if it's covered under your auto insurance. So the title of the article is "Does your car insurance cover arson?" Right. So as I alluded to, arson it's incredibly serious crime. Causes a lot of damage, a lot of pain. But believe it or not, one out of five fires involves a vehicle, right? So it's an incredibly important peril for carriers to consider, right? So you could imagine how much premium within claims a carrier pays out for arson claims each year. That said, let's see if you're covered. I guess the long and short of it is, if you only carry liability, right? You carry the bare minimum in terms of auto insurance, then unfortunately you're not going to be covered for arson. You only are covered for liability and kind of bodily injury. However, if your auto insurance package includes comprehensive coverage, then there's a very good chance that you are covered, right? And under this coverage, carriers typically treat arson very similarly to other crimes. So, like your theft or your vandalism, if you are if you're impacted or a victim of arson, as it relates to your car, then you simply kind of fill out your police form, your police report, and then you fundamentally collect whatever's deemed the loss, and I'm sure it's a total loss. So you get those from funds from your carrier. That being said, make sure you do review the exclusions on your policy, because there is a slight chance that damage from arson could be explicitly excluded, right? And then damage resulting from other causes of fire, like natural or electrical, could actually be covered, right? So if you have comprehensive coverage, chances are you definitely are covered. But just to make sure, go ahead and check the back of the policy for the exclusions and limitations, right? Because carriers take it very, very seriously, and they try to weed out fraud, right? So believe it or not, some players may set fire to their cars because they feel their car payment is too large, right? And they don't want to deal with it. They may want the payout from the car being totaled, right? They may even be trying to cover up another crime. So it does happen, and just know that if it does happen to you, that your claim will be highly scrutinized. Doesn't mean that it won't get paid, but it will be scrutinized to ensure that you are not trying to commit fraud. So long story short, if you only carry liability, arson will not be covered. If you carry comprehensive coverage, then 9 times out of 10 you are covered. But just to be safe, check the exclusions on your policy. Okay? Hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for stopping by, and talk to you next week.